In this section, we'll learn how to get around on the ribbon without using the mouse. Press the Alt key on your keyboard. Notice what happens. See these letters? F for File, H for Home, N for Insert, P for Page Layout, M for Formulas, A for Data, R for Review, W for View, and in this case L for Developer. Why does it matter? Once I've pressed that and I see these keys, if I press, let's say I press M for Formulas. There we go. Immediately, without the mouse, the Formula tab was highlighted. Notice here, this is for people that can't use a mouse or aren't familiar with them, the Alt key still shows these letters. Let's say I now want to go to, so to speak, financial functions. I moved my mouse, but I can press I. It lists them. Press Escape. They're still here. E for dates. So notice that when I move around with my mouse, they go away. Bring them back, hit here. P for Page Layout. So there's more than one way to get around in the ribbon. And that's the main thing I want to tell you. You may never remember these, I don't, but if you press the Alt key, go to the right tab, here's the Data tab. When I click with the mouse, they go away. When I press the Alt key, they come back. Now I can choose whatever I want. Notice here, down here, there's nothing, there aren't any tabs down here, but maybe, there we go, some other have tabs. So if I press P, here we go, P, then I choose the tab Page Layout, and each opportunity, each icon now has a letter, and I can see the letters. It's kind of interesting. Let's see if we can print by pressing PG. PG. There we go. So you had to press 2 keys. When you press keys, it removes those little letters. So if I go back, let's go back here. Notice also up here, the letters come up on the Quick Access Toolbar as well. So I press 6, it would open up a new document. So numbers up here on the Quick Access Toolbar, letters, let's go home with an H, letters, and here in this case it has letters and numbers. You can't really predict. All you can say is if you press the Alt key, you get the letters. If I click with the mouse, they're gone. So there's more than one way to access what the tabs are on the ribbon. Also, if I go here and I press the Tab key, it doesn't do anything, right? So when I say tabs on the ribbon, it's not the Tab key, but you're clicking. Notice how they're each selected. So that was another way to get around on the ribbon using what's called the shortcut keys.